Bonjour, Sungigabawe Makwandago, Magazindo Dem Saging Dunji, Makwanagwime, and Shnabe Ojibwe and Dao. I'm the instructor for the Ojibwe Field School here at the University of Winnipeg. The field school is intended to be a supplement to the regular intro and intermediate courses that we offer at the University of Winnipeg. We bring out students into the field, either in the winter or in the summer, and we do traditional teachings with them, and we provide lessons in the language and provide an immersive environment. And what's different from the classroom is that we allow students to bring their families with them. So there are children, there's husbands, wives, other family members that are allowed to come and listen. So we find that we're not only teaching the students themselves, we're actually teaching the entire family. So this is the goal of what the field school is to get people to actually start speaking. What was concerning the elders when we developed the course was that we weren't graduating fluent speakers with just intro and intermediate. So we said, okay, well, let's do something a little different then. Let's develop a field school where they can actually put into practice what they've learned in the classroom.
Jason Bone, Indigenous cause, Chiiwaakanak do them, Gijigunning Donji, doing the say, Gijigunning doing the say, Anishinaabe, Ojibwe and Dao. Jason Bone's my name, Turtle Clan. I'm from Chiiwaakanak. I am Anishinaabe Ojibwe. Mangi ta Anishinaabe, I speak a little. Nanunde ni ta Anishinaabe, Onjada, Nanunde Negozis, Shagonadonis. We minwendam Oshki Anishinaabe. I speak a little bit of Ojibwe. I want to speak better because I want my children to grow up to be proud to be who they are.
Bonjour, Austin Indigenous cause, Winnipeg and Donji, Moose and Dudem, Anishinaabe Ojibwe Jigo, Turkish Cypriot and Dao. Nimama Onjiba Ewe de Ontario, Miranda Ban and Ejina Kazot. Minawa Nebaba Onjiba Ewe de Cyprus. Hussein Ejina Kazot. My name is Austin. I'm from Moose Clan. I come from Winnipeg. I'm Ojibwe and Turkish Cypriot. My mom is from Ontario and my father's from Cyprus. In January, the only words I knew were miigwech and bonjour. And now I've learned a whole new vocabulary of words. It's kind of changed my mindset a bit. I feel like a totally new person because of it. And I do feel like it's something that I should pass on to my children.
Bonjour, Morag Nadishnikas, Hazelton Nindunji, Anishinaabe Scottish Nindao. My name is Morag. I was originally born in Hazelton, but I live in Treaty 1 territory in Winnipeg. My heritage is Scottish. My minor is in Indigenous Studies, and kind of throughout I noticed how important language is in learning the teachings and learning kind of just throughout all the courses, and I didn't know any, so part of why I wanted to do it was so that I could better understand what I was learning. And part of it also too, just as a settler living in Treaty 1 territory, I felt that it was important for me to be able to understand more so that I can be here in a respectful way.
One day we had 2 days of medicine picking, and we had elders teach us about the different types of medicines, their uses. We did it primarily in the language. I would sit with them and I'd say, okay, this is the medicine, and this is how you say it in the language. This is how we say we pick it. This is how we say we take care of it. This is how we dry it. So we teach them everything right from beginning to end. We also teach them the protocols on when we go and pick medicines. So we give them an immersive environment, and we give them additional teachings that they wouldn't normally hear in the classroom. There was another evening where we spent the night looking at the stars, and we gave them star teachings about Anungukwan, and we gave them stories about Bagak and the woman who he loved. And we found those constellations in the night sky. We also did classroom teachings out here as well, where they got to sit with the elders and learn how to pronounce things properly, to get the cadence and the diction right. We had a woman come out and sing at the big drum, and sometimes people see that as a no-no. It's something that's taboo. But what we've learned from the elders is that the drum, Chiiwaakanak, was a gift from Chiiwaakanak, the women. And it's our men's responsibility to take care of that drum. The women are coming back and showing us how we're supposed to respect that drum again. So they taught us songs that talked about that.
Bonjour, wawate tishniga son pamichigabak indojin maigan nintutem ninapem kiziguinanoche. My name is Janice. I'm from Cross Lake. My spirit name is Northern Lights. My clan is Wolf Clan. My husband's from Kisikuinan. He's Ojibwe. That's why I want to learn the Ojibwe language so my children can learn Cree and Ojibwe. From my understanding, to understand who we are and our laws, we need to understand our language and our ceremonies.
Bonjour, Anin, Felicia Indishnakas, Winnipeg and Dunji, Makate, Wakamiji, Wanusing and Dunji, Gaye, Antigua, Shigo, Barbuda and Dunji. My name is Felicia. I'm from Winnipeg and Little Black River First Nation and Antigua and Barbuda. So far, it's been really rewarding. I feel like coming together, learning together in this kind of a setting, it's a lot more meaningful than just sitting in a classroom and working in booklets, reading and writing. Actually getting to do things hands-on, it's a better way for me to learn as a learner. I can't just read and write. I have to be involved in doing it. It helps it stick better for me.
This camp is all about remembering our responsibility to the language and remembering our responsibilities as Anishinaabe to be good, to remember the original instruction from the Creator. Live a good life, do something good with it. Seek out your gift and share it. And that's the objective of this field school.